I don't know what's going on. What is going on here? What is this? Why is he in an outfit?
This is Charloween, or the costume festival at the
Echo Lake Small Dog Park. Let's check it out.
Henry is a
avocado.
guacamole. You didn't like that.
Right. How's it going?
Good.
Wow, this is so cool. Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Charloween.
We're here. It's finally happened. Get in there. Hey, hat on?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's adorable. Hey, Charlie. Boop, boop, boop.
Keep the hat on.
Too cute.
Oh, it's
Everyone. You can
For the dogs, though, right, Liz?
Yeah, for the dogs. The dogs. It's made out of like almond flour and like peanut butter.
Hey, Beanie. Spaghetti. Too cute. Beanie. That's Beanie.
We met her at the dog festival.
B-E-R-I, but it's pronounced Beanie. Hi.
I need a picture of you, honey. Winston. Winston, come.
Hey, pup.
She doesn't like it, but I guess.
Pup. Hey, pup. Kara. Hey. Good boy. Ruby. Hey. So this is the reason for Charloween. It's Charlotte. Charlie. What do you think, Lales? Hey.
She's like, yeah.
Adorable.
Get down?
Yes.
Okay, knows it's all about her.
Wait until it's 1 p.m. to eat.
Hey.
You guys behaving?
So what do you guys think about Charloween?
Charloween is a huge success.
Charlene?
Is it as Charloween or this is the?
Charloween? Charloween, like it's.
So who's this?
I don't know.
That's Ellie.
Oh,
What is it?
Ellie.
Ellie.
Ellie!
Too cute. Who's that? So tell me what's going on in here.
We are doing bobbing for treats. Put a little treat in the bowl, cover it with some water, and then let's see if the doggies will come get some.
All right.
Double treat make up for me not getting one before.
Here, Charlie, you can come in. Come on. You want to get one? Come on. Charlie, come.
Kyra.
We're gonna do it. Charlie, come.
That's it, baby.
Come on. Charlie, come.
Go.
Come on.
Oh, Charlie.
Kyra. Come on.
Hey.
All right. So we only need. Look, I.
Quite a sense of smell. Yeah, it doesn't.
There you go.
Yay!
Oh. Look at him. Get him. Get him. Good boy.
Come on.
Rosie, you're the Pied Piper here.
Hey, sweetie. Henry, let's have Henry show off his routine from the pageant. Henry's pageant routine.
They like these little green things, these little round things.
Charlie bears.
Come here, Henry. Cooper, you had too much of it. Here.
Whoa.
Oh snap. Henry.
I have like a...
7. Lulu.
Yeah, that's Henry. We've known that's Henry's right there. They got him around the same time we got him. Bigger than
Nope, sit, stay, sit, stay. Stay. Go.
Oh, no, best part is I had what happened.
Speak.
I had to be up.
Speak.
Everybody said. I had to be up before.
Sit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you have to change.
You got a tail.
Hey, treats.
Oh, look at Bo. Did you see that? Oh my God, it's great. Cooper. And here's Henry.
Where's Henry?
Henry treats. Look.
Henry, treats, Henry.
He'll speak for you if you ask him to. Speak.
Speak, Henry. Henry, come on.
Speak.
Oh,
Yeah, no, I hope that's not true. Hey, Ruby.
It is true. Oh my God, is that?
Too cute.
Find out.